Everybody switch on the cameras. I can't see anyone. Hmm. Okay, Ronnie, switch on the camera. Chikrika, Khadija. Okay, now over here. Hmm. Now over here, you can see the question is find the length of a find the length of the side of a square whose area is this. This is meter square. Okay. So who will tell me what is the formula for area of square?
Ascenders?
Yes, which is side into side, right? So side multiply by side. You can write it like this, or you can write side square. Fine, both are the same thing. Yes. Now say yes or no. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. So area is already given to you, which is 4 for 1. So that means it is given that side square is 4 for 1. Okay, you have to find the side, right? So to find side, what you will do, you will send the square this side. Yes. So once the square will go this side, it will become like this. Yes or no? Everyone?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Right? Whenever we shift plus number to this side, it becomes negative. Whenever we share negative, it becomes positive. It is in multiplication, it comes in division. If it is in division, it will comes in multiplication. But whenever we say any square this side, it becomes under root. Okay, whenever we send under root to this side, it becomes square. This is the thing you have to remember. So this was square on this side. So when we send this side, it became under root. Clear? Okay. So do you know how to find the square like under root of 441?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody knows this, right? You have two methods. One, the long division one, which I already taught you, and one is the prime factorization method. So it's your choice. How do you want to do? So everybody, this is question number 7. Quickly write it down and then find me the answer. Okay, Naisha, how's your holidays going on? It's nice. Okay. You feel like it look like you are tired? I do. Okay, so few more minutes and then you can rest. I don't think you have any other class after this, right? So just few more minutes because study is important, na? Okay. So you just few might be 45 more minutes and then you can sleep. Okay. So everybody do this and then we'll discuss the answer.
Done, ma'am. Done.
Okay. Everybody finish? Do it quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll wait for 1 more minute, then we'll discuss the answer.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, Ronnie, I can only see the spark. I can't see you. Just either just change your monitor to this side or just close the window. Yeah, that's fine. Because I can see the sunshine. I can't see you. Okay, I hope everybody finished this, right? 441?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who will tell me the answer?
Ma'am, I got 21.
Okay, 21. Everybody got 21?
Yes,
Yes?
ma'am.
Because if you are doing it long division method, then 4, 4, 1. You will make a pair like this.
Mom, I didn't do the long division method. I directly wrote the square.
If you know that, that's well and good. If you don't know, then you have to do it. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
The 2, 2 is 4 you got and 41. Right? So 4 and then 4 should be multiplied by which number? Of course, there is a 1. So you will take something which is this. So you will start with 1. Right? So 1. Yes, you got 41. Right? So 21 is the answer. Everybody got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. Now there is one more thing which I need to teach you is there is one formula that we use. See, whenever you have to find the area of a triangle, right? What we do, for example, this is A, this is B and C. You have to find the perimeter of this, right? So a perimeter, for example, you have to find. So what we do, AB plus BC plus AC, right? For example, 2, 3 and 5. So you'll be like 2 plus 3 plus 5 and you got the answer. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes? Fine with everybody? But in case if it is a right angle triangle, okay, right angle triangle, that means this is your 90 degree. Okay, in this scenario, we don't use this formula. We have a formula which is called h square equals to b square plus, you can write altitude or you can write he, height square. Okay, now h is your hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse is the longest side. So over here A, B and C. The longest side is this.
Mom,
Yes. So,
Mom,
yes.
it's almost like the Pythagorean triplet, right?
Yes, that's the same thing. Pythagorean, Pythagoras theorem is applied only in the right angle, not in all the triangles. Okay, so
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras formula. Okay, so AC, B is your base. This B is for base. Okay, so base is BC. So BC square plus HE, which is height. Which is your height? This AB. Got it? So for example, AC was 5, this was 2, this was 3. So this is what you have to remember. Okay? Clear? Just altitude instead of height. So sorry for the disturbance, students. So I hope this is clear, right? So in this scenario, basically, what can you get? For example, BC is already given. Okay. So for example, BC is 2. Okay. So 2 square plus 3 square. Right. But for example, AC is not given to you and they have asked you to find AC. For example, AC is not given. Okay. So 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. Yes. And you have to find AC. So this is square 9, 10, 11, 12 you got. Right. For 13, sorry. Yes. And this was AC would be here. This square will come this side. So can you find AC? Like you have to do the, you have to find the square root of this and you will get AC. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. So now I will give you one question. Let's see how you people use your brain and use it. Height, can you write altitude? Yes, you can write altitude as well. It's your choice. Okay, some of the students like height and they get confused between altitude. So that's why I've written height. You can also write altitude. Both are the same thing. Okay, so I'm just pasting a question here and just give me 1 minute. I'm just coming in 1 minute. Start doing this. Okay. Are you people getting it? Anyone who didn't get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Getting it, right? Okay, do it. I'll draw a triangle here. It's same like this so that nobody else changes their things. Okay, this is how you will draw a triangle. Okay, this will be your AB. Okay, now put it and find AC.
Mama, hello.
Yes, Chakrika.
We no, when it's an equal to sign, we change it into division, right?
Sorry.
Like uh, an, a square of a number, and then the other square of a number. Like there's
Then plus it
both.
and then the under root and whatever the answer come after adding it, then
No,
that
we
we have to
divide
find the
it
square.
right to find the height. For example, the B1.
For B1.
This one.
No, why will you divide? You
Ma'am,
have to
because we need
only
to.
shift the square. You don't have to shift the entire one number. Getting it? See, this I'm just doing everyone who is confused in the B1. Just have a look.
No, can I try? Can I try?
Okay, try it.
Done, ma'am.
Everybody finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Anyone who's still doing?
One can have 1 more minute.
Yeah, I'll take 1 more minute.
Nice one, ma'am.
Okay, everybody finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Naisha, you also finished? Naisha, finished? Okay. So in this scenario, basically, AB was 6 and ABC was 8. So definitely it says 6 square, right? AC square equals to 6 square plus 8 square, right? 36 and 64. Yes? Hmm.
Answer is 12.
12.
Yes, ma'am.
After adding this, what you got, Naisha?
Just 1 minute. Yeah. Wait, just 1 minute now. Oh, no, sorry for the first one. I'm telling
Yes.
you the second one. 10.
Yes. So you got 100. Everybody, Khadija, you are getting this, what I'm doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you hear me, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can't see the screen, right?
Yes.
Okay, actually somebody switched off my Wi-Fi button and I was like, okay. You people can't see the screen?
No, ma'am. Now we
No,
can
we
see.
can.
Okay. Now, so everybody got 10 for this. Okay, so Khadija, Ronnie, Chakrika, Gauri, Naisha, everybody got it, right?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Khadija, you got it?
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
Okay. Now for the B1, basically, the B1, everything was same, but the only issue was AC was already given, right? Which is 13 square, right?
When
And
I tried doing the operations, then I
yeah.
got to know that it was subtraction, so I got it at the last.
Hmm. The AB was not given.
That I got 12.
Yes, let's see. And 25 square. So 13 square, everybody know 169. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
AB square is AB square, you don't know, right? And 5, sorry, it was 25, 5 square, right? So that means 169 minus 25 would be your AB square, right?
Yes,
Once you
ma'am.
subtract it, you got 144, right? And this will come this side, so AB would be 12. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I'll give you, I have already taught you people when you have to find minimum. What you find? You find LCM or you find HCF? When you have to find the minimum, what you people find? HCF or LCM?
LCM.
LCM? Okay. But over here, if I ask you that you have to find, okay. I'll give you this question. Do it. A gardener has 100 plants. He wants to plant these in such a way that the number of rows is equal to number of the women. Find the minimum number of this. Okay. Okay. Just try it, then I'll tell you how to do this. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. I'm coming. You are getting this, students? What this question is basically asking?
Ma'am, I didn't get it.
Yeah, just do it.
Ma'am, I didn't get it.
You didn't get it? Okay, okay, wait. I'll do it.
I also didn't get it.
Okay, should I do this? I think nobody is getting it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So over here, a gardener has 1000 plants. He wants to plant these in such a way that the number of rows and the number of column remains same. Okay. Find the minimum number of plants he need more or this. Okay. So over here, he needs more plant. Right. So that means you remember something, these type of questions we have done. It's like how much should be the number. See, if the demand of a question is that rows and columns should be same. Like if, for example, over here, if you are planting 4, here also there should be 4. Yes. That means 4 multiplied by 4 would be 16. So 16 is a perfect square or not? Now you are getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So that means 1000 is there. So first of all, you will find that he is planting 1000 plants. So is this a perfect square or not? In case it is not a perfect square, then you people are smart enough to make it perfect square. Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Right? So this is what you have to do in this class, in this question. Okay? Quickly do this, and then after that I need to teach you the decimal, and then we are done. So quickly
Ma'am,
do
you can do long division for this, right?
yes, long division, and if there is a remainder, then you know how to do it. Right?
Yes, ma'am. How many more plants we need for this? We basically have to add, right?
No, you just have to find the remainder. That is the minimum number that you that is a more plant that you need. Got it?
Done, ma'am.
You will find the
So
square
we
root of
need the
this, get a
remainder.
remainder, right? Yes.
Ma'am, we need the remainder.
Yeah, so remainder is the number that you need to add. Got it?
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
they are asking you, you have to find how much plant you need to add. So that it
Ma'am,
becomes perfect.
Ma'am, when it's addition, we take the quotient, right?
Remainder.
No, when it's
Remainder.
addition.
Remainder only we take. And that the remainder you are going to add in 1000. So you now that is the perfect square. But you don't have to find the perfect square. You have to find how much is there is a need to add it.
Yes. Mom, but is it like for sure gonna be a perfect square?
Sorry.
But is it like for sure gonna be a perfect square?
Yes, you can do it. You can recheck.
Oh.
You will get 1024 after this. Right? And 1024 is a perfect square of 32.
You can get 1024, so
Okay. Okay, everybody finished? I'm just doing it here because I don't have much time. I just need to finish it here. I'm just doing it here. Have a look. Okay. So 1000. Okay. I'll make a pair. So 3 is 9. Right? 1 is remaining, then 100. 3, 2 is 6. Now you should multiply it with which number that you will get this. So 2. Right? So 2 here, 2 here. After this, what you get 124. Right? Yes? Sorry. Got it?
Mom, but then 124 is greater
Sorry,
than
60,
100, right?
61.
Yes, ma'am.
61. Sorry. 1 you will do here. Okay. And then 1 here. So what you get?
61.
9? Yes. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now over here you got the remainder. That means this is what the remainder is. Right? Now this 31 over here is not a perfect square. Okay. Yes.
39.
Yes. Sorry.
How did you get 39?
So sorry. I didn't wrote here. I just missed one step. See, 61 multiplied by 61 would give you 61 only.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. That's why you get 39. Okay. Okay. Let me clear one thing to you people. There are two methods to do this. One, you can take a number which is greater than that, so automatically the remainder would be your answer. Okay. But when you need to do this, like when you are getting a remainder which is less than that, which is 39, right? So automatically this is less than this, greater than this. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So one method over here is this. For example, 1000, 10 this, then 3, 3, 9, then 100. Okay. Then 6, right? Now I should write what number that it will, like you can take any greater number, right? So I took 2 here, right? So I got 124. So the remainder was 24. Now this is less than this. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this will be the answer. Okay. But in this scenario, this one is greater than this. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So in this scenario, you remember what I did? 31 square is not a perfect example. So I will take the next one, which is 32 square. So 32 square would be 1024. Okay. Now 1024 minus 1000. You got 24. So that means 24 is the answer. So you have two methods to do this. It's your choice whether you want to follow this or you want to follow this. Clear? I usually prefer
I
this one
don't get
because
the difference. Like,
see, over here you are getting the remainder which is greater than the question, right?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. So of course you cannot take this as the answer because this is greater than this. But in this scenario, if you take a bigger number than this, for example, right? Like I took 32, which is 124, which is greater than 100, right? So I got 24 and this 24 is less than the question. So this is
Mom,
my
but,
final answer.
Mom, then what about the sign?
The sign, you don't have to worry about sign. The minimum number they ask is negative only. Okay?
Okay. Yes.
Right? This is only for the word problem. Not for the, in the case if I ask you to find the long division, this is not for that.
After you got 39, how do you solve it further? Can you explain it?
This
How you
39,
got 24.
this 39, of course, this is not a perfect square. 31 is not a perfect square of 1000, right? So 31 is not possible. So I will take the another number. The next number after 31 is 32, right? So I did the square of 32, which is 124. So 1024 subtracted by 1000. This one, I got 24.
1000 plus 39, the remainder.
This, you don't have to do anything with remainder in this scenario because remainder is greater than quotient. When the remainder is greater than quotient, then you follow this step. That take the another number after 31. So after 31, 32 comes. Right? And the 32 square of 32 is 1024 and you subtract and you get the answer. Okay? This method. But in case if you are doing this, you have to just find the answer because nobody will see your this part. You can use this method for the word problem itself. Okay, but not for the actual method if I ask you to find the under root of something.
Remainder is smaller than the quotient can be added.
Yes. Then that will be your final answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Oh. Okay, I hope now it's clear to everybody, right? Anyone
Yes,
has
ma'am.
any doubt? I
No,
can't
ma'am.
see anyone now. Everybody switch off the camera apart from Ronnie. But even I can't see Ronnie. Ronnie, I can't see you. Your camera is switched on, but I can't see you. Why it is so, Ronnie?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, Ronnie don't know. Okay, no problem. Okay, now let's just start with the next one. You have to find the square root of the decimal. What you have to find? You have to find the square root of decimal, not the whole numbers. Okay, clear to everybody? Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So of course, we are going to find a number which is 17.64. 17.64. Okay, let's just start. Of course, the same thing we will be doing. I will be doing the steps like the one which we did. The steps I will ask you so that you people can at least read it because steps are very, very important. Okay. So the step number one is, first of all, the step to find the square root of a decimal number, we put bar on the integral part. Okay, integral part which is here. Okay, of the number in the unusual manner and place bar on the decimal part. Clear? Okay, so we make a pair from here itself. So this is one pair. So I'll make a pair 17 and 64. Got it, everybody? What I did?
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is what you have to remember. Okay, so that means if I made a pair, then automatically what I get this entire thing. Okay, now wait a minute. Step number 2, I'll paste it. Now step number 2. Now proceed in the similar manner. The left. Okay, good, Chakrika. And now proceed in the similar manner. The leftmost bar. So over here, what I will be doing it here. 17.64. Okay, I put it the bar. I'll start from here itself. Okay, the same number. You don't have to worry about the decimal. Okay, so I started this. So what I will do, 17. Of course, 2 table, you'll get 4, 3 table, 9, 4 table, 16, 5 table, 20. So 4 table, right? So 4 4s are 16. Yes, you got 1 here. Got it? Yes. Okay, and then you will bring this 64 down. Yes. Now proceed the similar manner. The remainder is 1. Write the number under the next bar. The right to 164 it became. Okay. So 4 2s are 8. Then put a blank here. I should multiply with, like for example, 2 because 4 comes. So 2 and here also 2. Okay. 82 multiplied by 82 would give you 164. Okay.
82 multiplied by 82 or
Yes.
82 it's not 82 multiplied by 2.
Yes. 82 multiplied by 2. Double.
Uh,
82 multiplied by 2. So you got 4 and 16. Okay. So that's why I wrote here 2.
yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now where I put it the decimal, see, for first one I made a pair and then the decimal came. So I put it a decimal here. Okay. Everybody got it? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And then I put it 2 because these number are. But here you don't need to put any decimal. It's simple. First make a bar and like for example, first one I solved. Then when you are bringing this down, put a decimal here. So you got 4.2. Everybody got it? Yes?
Question.
Hmm.
According to the bars you had and according to the numbers you had to put the decimal point. So like example, if there's odd numbers like 3, 1, 6 and you get 2 numbers, so sorry, 3 numbers, so you had to put the decimal point after one number.
That I will come. This like first part is clear when you have the even number.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody, do
Yes,
you have any
ma'am.
doubts?
No, ma'am.
Wait
Yes,
a minute. Okay, so sorry for the disturbance, students. Actually, there are some people who are working at my home and they just need the assistant. Okay, this one is clear to everybody. Anyone has any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. Now let's just come to the decimal one. For example, 2.56. The odd number which Naisha was very much she was worried about this. Okay, so in this, of course, this will be the single pair and this will be in pair. Yes. So here, one table, one ones are 1. Right? The answer is 1. Yes. And then you will put 5 and 6. But then you will put a decimal here because you are going to bring the decimal number now. So 1, 2s are 2. Now this 2 should be multiplied by which number? Ma'am, 6 and 6 here. So after doing 6, you got 156. Done. Clear, Naisha? Any question now? Any question now, Naisha? No? It's same. You don't have to worry about anything. It's same only, but just because of decimal, you people are like, oh my god. Okay, so don't worry about decimal. Okay, quickly note down this, then I'll give you people the question.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Chakrika.
Ma'am, will you also be teaching how to add the square of the decimals, like square root of the decimals? Like, will you be also
Square
explaining?
root of the decimal.
Yes, ma'am. Adding the
And
square
for
root of
example,
decimal.
2.4 multiplied by 2.4. You will do 24 multiplied by 24. Yes?
Adding.
Adding it. 2.4 and 2.4.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Ma'am, like
simple.
the square root, like
I
For
didn't get it what you are
example,
saying.
like I have a, just a second, I'll get back to you in 2 minutes.
Hmm. Yes, Chakrika, now you can ask your question.
Yes, like, mom, I have the question.
Hmm.
The cube root.
From cube root. So don't ask that cube root. When we will do it, then you can ask. Okay?
Yeah, no. Okay. So the question is the square root of 0.008
Hmm.
plus
Hmm.
square root of 0.064.
0.008.
008
Hmm.
plus 0.064.
Huh.
Yes, ma'am. Like we have to add them.
Yes.
So like
First,
the
you have to
square root of those
square root.
numbers.
So first, you will find the square root of this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? And then you will find the square root of this. Then whatever answer you get, that you will add it. That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Done, everybody?
ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, what if like there are odd numbers after the decimal point?
Then you have to follow the same process. First
Like
number
how?
would be alone and the rest number would be in pair.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, everybody written. Should I give you the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now everybody will find me the square of 7.29. Ronnie, Khadija, Gauri, Chakrika, Naisha, everybody got it? The decimal one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Khadija,
Yes,
Ronnie,
ma'am.
Ronnie,
Yes, ma'am.
got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this one, 7.29. Quickly do it, everybody. And one more question, 7.29 and 51.84.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Let's just wait for everyone to finish. Everyone finished? Anyone who is still doing?
Done, ma'am.
No?
Mom, this question is in my question paper, but without the decimal.
They were in their question paper.
Yes, Mom, it's in my question paper, but without the decimal.
Yeah, so the Chakrika, one thing like I have noticed in your school is they do follow NCRT. So whatever we do in the class, just revisit that. Because
Yes,
they
Mom.
kind of, I have seen 90% of the things are directly from NCRT.
Yes, Mom.
So do stick to whatever we are doing. That I've seen it earlier as well. That you are like, ma'am, this question was same. So
Yes,
even
Mom.
they
Yes, Mom.
don't change a single word. So stick to it.
Yes,
Okay, so whatever we are doing here, just revisit that. That's very important because if I teach you that and you do it wrong, you will also feel bad that
yes,
I
Mom.
knew this, but still I was unable to. So once you practice it, then in the exam hall, it's like, okay, this one I know, and you become quite confident. So this confidence should be there.
Yes, Mom.
Okay, so I hope everybody got it. So Khadija, do you want me to tell the answer for the first one, 7.29?
Yes.
What do you got? 7.29?
Oh no, ma'am. I thought you said. Do you want me to explain?
Okay, you got it? You didn't got it?
No.
Bye. When I asked you over here, then you said, yes, ma'am, I got it. Then why didn't you get this?
No,
Okay,
ma'am. I
I'm
just
doing,
got a bit confused.
okay, I'm doing it. Have a look. So first of all, you people will make a pair. Yes. Ronnie, what you got? What is the answer, Ronnie?
Ma'am, for
Hmm?
this one, I did with two
No, tell me the answer.
answer. I didn't get the answer. I was still doing it.
You are not audible. You are a little bit low.
Ma'am, I'm still doing it. I didn't get the answer yet for 7.2.
Okay, I'll do it, students here. Of course, 2 is 4. Yes, everybody. Yes, and I got 4. 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3, 2, 9. Okay, so here you will get 4. Now 4 should be multiplied by which number? So automatically